Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Grant the messaging app required permissions for photos/storage and camera so images can be accessed. Without that, thumbnails stay blank. Once done, confirm your connection, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, and toggle airplane mode to reset network. Then close and reopen the app and restart the device if needed. Clearing the app cache helps reload media indexes. These steps unblock many issues quickly and prepare you for deeper fixes. Next, you dive into the app and account settings to address more complex causes. Update the messaging app so you have the latest bug fixes. Outdated clients often fail to render media. Then confirm you're signed in correctly and that sync or backup services are enabled, because missing tokens can prevent media retrieval. Once authenticated, inspect per conversation options like auto-download, media visibility, and blocked senders. These control whether images appear. If a setting was off, toggle it and force a manual sync to fetch photos. Finish by confirming storage and using recovery options so media can be restored. Make sure your device has sufficient free space. Below a small threshold, the app may stop saving or displaying photos, free up space, or move files to cloud. If images still fail, restore from a recent backup or ask the sender to resend. Sometimes attachments were never uploaded. If problems persist, test the account on another device or run the app in safe or troubleshooting mode to isolate app versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.